Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Comcast business account, fast access step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.xfinity.com and press enter. Once the Xfinity homepage loads, look for the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. On the next page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your Comcast business account username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure that your information is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your username and password, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login credentials. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to your Comcast business account dashboard. From here, you can access all the features and services available to you. If you encounter any issues, check the error message provided for guidance. You can also try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache if problems persist. Now you are successfully logged into your Comcast business account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.